turn down. So, how to pair a mobile. First of all, we go to Bluetooth, make sure it's switched on, and then remember to keep your arm still. So my arm's there. That's picking up somebody's Garmin Nuvi that's obviously sat on the forecourt here. So from here, and the Osmo Action. So from here we go, click on telephone, click down to the telephone there, navigate to the telephone, click OK, and then we've got Bluetooth telephones. Click that and update. It's already on update, so we click update. It's now looking for a device. Just say that's my phone over there, so it's still looking. It should come up with Barry's iPhone or whatever. There you go, Barry's iPhone. So turn the rotary control to Barry's iPhone, click the center button. It's now asking me enter the passcode here and on the Bluetooth device. So 000 for ease, and then we just turn the rotary control till we get to OK, click OK, and then 000 pair. I don't want it to allow my contacts and favorites to sync because I won't be using the car again, so I'll click don't allow there. But Mercedes Benz Bluetooth there, it's connected. That's it, that's how you do it.